The government has lifted the ban of Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 District Development Project with the assurance to move forward amicably for the benefit of the district. The Prime Minister and Cabinet met with over 50 chiefs, orators, women and young men of the Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 and sorted things out after 4 months of waiting as the Prime Minister gave them time to make its decision. Laoli said if there were mistakes and wrongs of yesterday, today is a new beginning and a fresh start filled with hope and possibilities. He conveyed Cabinet's gratitude towards the district for taking the time to meet as is with the common tradition of consultation, or solepule. The apology. Tofilautawa led the Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 delegation that took the first morning ferry from Savai'i Island to the meeting, and he extended an apology on behalf of the district. He acknowledged past tensions and the delay on their part in settling their internal differences, and they have also been seeking a way to meet with the government. Tofilau made a figurative reference to Otornseo to describe the district's relationship with the government since defamatory words were made against the Prime Minister and the government by one of their chiefs who did not take part in their previous meeting. He referred to the late Prime Minister, Tofilau Eti Alesana, a High Chief of the Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 District, and the last Prime Minister from Savai'i that La'auli and his district fully supported. But now with La'auli as Prime Minister, different opinions and feelings have created barriers. Tofilau said, "Let me do something for his district." The derogatory remarks made towards the Prime Minister were also directed at the government and Samoa, and today we apologize. The Prime Minister immediately intervened, asking Tofilau not to revisit the past as to let the spirit of Easter celebrated in the weekend as the guide for the future relationship between the district and the government. Then, in a gesture of gratitude and the appreciation of acceptance by the government, Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 then presented traditional fa'alolonga of fine mats and money to the Prime Minister and Cabinet, who also reciprocated through financial donations for the district. Tofilautawa also made known that their Member of Parliament could not make it as he is away overseas, but has not stopped the districts from implementing their decision. Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 signs 1.8 million tala funding agreement. A tangible highlight of the meeting was the signing of the funding agreement by the District Development Committee, headed by their chairperson, of the 1.8 million tala for the district project, as well as the education grant under the One Government grant to assist the schools in the district. Out of the 1.8 million tala, the district will be paid the 150 tala back to school for all constituents through the district council. The Prime Minister reminded the Fa'asalele'anga No. 2 chairman, Mangele se Kasifieui, that the chairman role can be challenging but vital, urging him to seek innovative ways to uplift the district and to serve with honesty and integrity. If you are interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jenny Benehuro of Talamore Media.